can teach you a couple things.
Awesome like I do. Fuck it, awesome like I do. Fuck it, awesome like I do. You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you finding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. Talk to you, say about
I just forgot to film an intro with things. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. I just want to give a formal intro because I didn't get to film one. And yeah, guys like the video. Also, this is like a part of like the nail part of the video. I don't know why it's blurry. Is that Carter? You miss me?
No. Go give me a pepper or something.
Excuse me.
Like an animal, man. Sit down, take no time.
Where they at? Back up?
In the machine, wash machine. In the washing machine.
I'm talking about drinks.
In the washing machine.
What are you talking about? For real?
Go look. Go look.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you. You miss me? Yes, you did.
I just think
Real thing, other man. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You thought you ate
somebody.
and do? And do? Nah, you got to eat this.
She's so weird.
Dang, y'all playing fool looking.
Back up. That's your business. Did you eat?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How was your plate looking?
Not like that.
Yes, it was. Oh my gosh.
What you about to eat?
That's the right. Look at you.
Dang. That's one bite.
You are so
I'm the cutest cousin, y'all. Your booty ain't never that big to be doing all that.
What in the world is going on? Girl, first of all, why you ain't outside? It's something to get wet in.
I got allergies. I really can't be outside. Dang, your room. Lame. This your room, right? Lame. I'm just saying.
Girl, first of all, they need to start here.
Room tour. Dang, it's still empty in here. What's going on, bro?
I ain't got time for you with this hair all hanging from you.
She taking pictures.
And she be zooming in on people's face. Back up before I hurt you. But yeah, exactly. Get this paparazzi away from me.
That's good. Bro, where's you going?
Well, it look like I'm going somewhere with these towels. Y'all see me looking cute?
Where?
Everywhere.
So yeah, y'all. And I'm gonna give y'all a real call later.
I'm gonna show y'all who Auntie Shania is.
So, pre-World War II.
Say hey, Auntie Shania.
I'm eating Kayla.
The Army and
You want cake, cake?
That's my grandma, y'all. She crazy a little bit, but it's okay.
Whatever.
This Auntie Frida. That's grandma.
Grandma.
This Uncle Alex.
Who was you telling all this to?
My YouTube channel, y'all. This is Cuddle Bear. The one y'all always see on my iPad. This Auntie Eunice. This is Sweet Potato, y'all. But yeah, how your food tasting? Get rated like 1 through 10. What's the 10 being highest?
Hurry up.
It's giving 10 out of 10. It's giving 10 out of 10. Grandma, rate the foods. 10 being the highest.
10.
10 out of 10?
10.
I say 11.
11? They eat down? How about you? Did you taste it yet? Did you taste that yet, Grandma? Taste the food yet? How the food is? 10 out of 10?
10.
Food? How is the food?
20 out of 20.
20 out of 20?
Y'all ready? Spread out. Hey, we're gonna do a step.
You taking a picture of me.
No, it's a video.
Video.
Hey, Bookie.
They do TikToks all the time. You see her stuff?
She don't be on my TikTok.
He do be on your TikTok.
Us units don't be on my TikTok.
To the 15th at Target.com and in stores. Save on Take You Want. Groceries you
Police is right there. That's the police. This is all of my cousins. Like, why are they out here? They nosy. Police. Police. Oh, police. All my cousins are outside. Why? And then look, they out there. Literally. Y'all so nosy. Like, ugh. And we still popping fireworks on Brody. Hey guys, we just made it back in the house. I'm so tired. I'm about to do my night routine. So, about to wash my face, then brush my teeth. Because if I'm washing my face while I brush my teeth, I can rinse off my mouth while I still have the soap on. So that makes sense. Cause they're young in my bathroom. Nothing in my way. video or whatever. I'm posting it, I guess, tonight or something, or probably tomorrow. So happy 4th of July after. Really didn't celebrate 4th of July, but this is typical. This is like Sunday dinner for real, for real. So catch y'all in the next one. See y'all, love y'all. So yeah, see y'all on those days. Love y'all, bye.